In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Finviz Screener. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a stock screen on Finviz and save it so you can return to it anytime without rebuilding your filters from scratch. Start by opening your browser and heading to finviz.com. Before you can save anything, you need to be signed in. Click the Login button at the top right and create a free account with your email, or sign in if you already have one. Being logged in is important because saving a screen isn't available if you're browsing as a guest. Next, it's time to build your screen. Click the Screener tab near the top of the site. You'll see a results table and a set of filter controls. Add the filters you want, such as PE for valuation, PB for balance sheet perspective, and volume to focus on more liquid names. You can move between the descriptive, fundamental, and technical sections to combine criteria across categories. As you apply filters, Finviz updates the results instantly, so take a moment to fine-tune until the list matches your goals. If you're new to a metric, hover over labels or try a broader range first, then narrow it down as you see how it affects your results. Once your filters are set the way you like, look for My Presets, typically located above the results or near the filter area. Click My Presets, then choose Save Screen, or a similarly named option like Save or Save As. You'll be prompted to give your screen a name. Pick something clear and memorable, like the strategy and a key characteristic, so you'll recognize it later. Adding a date or time frame can also help you track versions as your approach evolves. When you're happy with the name, hit Save. Your screen is now stored under My Presets. The next time you return to Finviz, go to the Screener tab, open My Presets, and select your saved screen to load all your filters in one click. If you ever adjust the filters and want to keep the changes, use the same Save option to overwrite or choose Save As and give it a new name to keep multiple versions. A few quick tips if you run into issues. If you don't see the Save option, double-check that you're logged in. If the results seem off, review each filter and make sure you didn't set conflicting criteria. And keep your naming consistent so you can organize different strategies easily. That's all there is to it. Go to Finviz, log in, build your filters, save under My Presets, and you're set. Thanks for watching.